Ever wondered who would win in a battle? Lice or the mighty Pediculicide? Imagine a tiny, epic showdown happening right on your scalp, where the villains are those pesky lice, and the hero is a bottle of powerful treatment. It's a microscopic war, and the stakes are high. Itchy heads, sleepless nights, and a desperate need for relief. Get ready for the ultimate claymation showdown. Picture a dramatic arena, spotlights shining down, as our tiny foes and their nemesis prepare for battle. The tension is real, and the outcome could change the fate of your hair forever. Alternate opening. Are you tired of tiny bugs turning your kids' hair into a battleground? Lice are more than just a nuisance. They're relentless invaders that can make anyone's scalp their home. If you've ever seen your child scratching away, you know how frustrating and uncomfortable it can be. I'll show you how to send those lice packing, fast. No more endless itching, no more embarrassment at school, and no more feeling helpless. It's time to take control and show those bugs who's boss. It's time to meet the hero, Pediculicides. These aren't just ordinary shampoos or sprays. They're specially formulated warriors designed to take down lice and their eggs. Think of them as your personal scalp superheroes, ready to swoop in and save the day. Okay, let's break it down. What exactly are Pediculicides, and how do they work their magic? Let's dive into the science and strategy behind these powerful treatments, so you can understand why they're so effective. Pediculicides are special treatments designed to knock out head lice and their eggs. Think of them as bug-busting superheroes for your scalp. They're formulated to target the lice at every stage of their life cycle, from crawling adults to stubborn eggs, making sure nothing is left behind. They come as shampoos, creams, and sprays, so you have options depending on what works best for you and your family. Some are over-the-counter, while others might need a prescription from your doctor. Each type is designed to be easy to use and effective at getting rid of lice, and you just use them right on the hair. It's as simple as applying the product, letting it sit for the recommended time, and then rinsing it out. But don't forget, always follow the instructions on the label for the best results and to keep everyone safe. But you might be wondering, how do these treatments actually defeat the lice? What's their secret weapon? So, how do they work? Let's take a closer look at the science behind the battle. Most pediculicides attack the lice's nervous system, making sure those pesky critters can't move or breathe. It's like flipping a switch that shuts down their ability to survive, leaving them powerless and unable to cause any more trouble. Others smother the lice by coating them so they can't breathe at all. Kind of like a claymation pillow fight, but with science. These treatments create a barrier that suffocates the lice, making sure they can't escape or come back for round 2. But here's the catch. Lice eggs, also known as nits, are incredibly tough. They're glued tightly to the hair shaft and have a protective shell that makes them hard to kill. That's why even the best pediculicides sometimes can't get every single nit in one go. But here's a pro tip. Don't give up after just one treatment. Persistence is key. Lice eggs, aka nits, are stubborn. They can survive the first round of treatment and hatch days later, starting the whole cycle again if you're not careful. That's why you usually need a follow-up treatment, plus a good combing session, to make sure every last nit is gone. Using a fine-toothed lice comb helps remove both dead lice and stubborn eggs, giving you the best chance at a lice-free scalp. Mark your calendar for that second treatment, usually about a week after the first. This ensures that any newly hatched lice are wiped out before they can lay more eggs. So next time lice try to crash your family's headspace, remember, pediculicides are your secret weapon. With the right approach, you can protect your loved ones and keep those bugs at bay. And don't forget, cleaning your environment is just as important. Wash bedding, hats, and clothing in hot water, and vacuum furniture to make sure no stray lice are hiding out. Use them safely, follow the directions, and send those lice packing for good. Game over, lice. With a little patience and the right tools, you'll win the battle every time.